Today I will show you how to make your own Play-Doh. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of flour, half cup of salt, and half cup of water. Mix all together. If the mixture is too dry, you can add some water. When it's all mixed together, you can mold it with your hands. If the dough starts to get too sticky, add some flour. It should look something like this. When your dough is ready, you can leave it like this, or you can add some color. You can divide your dough in sections. You can use food colors using 6 to 10 drops. I don't have food colors, so I use paint. Shape the area and in the hole put the color. Then mix the dough. And this is the result. It should look something like this. Then I do the same procedure. Shape the area and in the hole put the color. Then mix the dough. You can use both hands. Finally, put them into a bag and store them in the refrigerator so it can last a little bit longer. But it would only last about like 4 weeks. And as you can see, it's super easy to make your own Play-Doh. This is the result. When you take out your Play-Doh of the refrigerator, you need to warm up a little bit your Play-Doh with your hands because it's gonna be cold. So when you warm it a little bit, you can play with it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.